Hello, 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 and welcome to Rhonda Said. I am Rhonda. I love saying things. I love adjusting this necklace. And I love that you're here today. I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. Please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. I really appreciate it. You guys have been fantastic. I'm getting close to another milestone. And once I get to that milestone, I'll have that giveaway that I've been talking about. So without further ado, let me get into my Boxycharm. I think it's Luxe. I'm not sure, because sometimes you get notifications when they're coming, sometimes you don't. And it doesn't say which one it is on here. So when I crack this seal, because see, I like to be surprised, just like you do. Everybody, I love a surprise. I'm going to a surprise party in a few minutes. So let's see what I have here. I'll get my calculator out because we like to figure out what the value is of a box. It is the Luxe. Luxe. I love the Luxe. I hope I love the Luxe. It's got a black card with lots of writing on it. We have many things in here, and I know two of the things. I can see some of the other things, but I'm really excited about what's in here today. And let's get to it. The first thing that I'm going to pull out is super fancy, and it's not the color that I chose, but it's the color that I got. They sent me a little email and a credit for this eyeshadow. It's just an okay color. It's very boring. I know it's Pat McGrath. Oh, did I mention that? Pat McGrath, cult classic, creme de la creme of Mother's iconic shadows, now starring in solo seductive singles in a tantalizing array of textures and hues. $25 for one shade. So I've got lots of Pat McGrath, and this would be great in my big giveaway coming up, because I love, some people think that the sequins are a little overkill and they're messy, but I think they're fabulous. Next up is from Beauty Bio, Bright Eyes. Oh, look, it's got the before and after and how magical it is. And it's never the same results, is it? No, it never is. So this is the depuffing and brightening eye gels. Stay in place, cooling eye gels help depuff, brighten, and fill in the appearance of lines to rescue the delicate under eye area. And it helps with stress, looks of stress and stuff, and red eye flights. 28 bucks. I'm not going to open this because we know what little eye things look like. Little iPads. Not an iPad, but the iPads. Mwahaha! I'm so hilarious today. Watch out. Oh, we've got a bunch of stuff in here. Then we have from Spongelle or Spongelle. Depends on who you ask. This is the Body Wash Infused Buffer Sponge Decor Infused de Gel Douche in Honey Blossom. It is multi-use. And it says, this beloved honey blossom fragrance adorned with charming, this is not a charming gift box, it's just the box that it comes in. Warm honey blooming lavender for a heavenly bathing experience, blah, blah, blah. $18. You can get them for so cheap on pop-up or whatever, Dropbox, whatever they call the drop shop. Or if you have FabFitFun and you shop their store, they're also really cheap there. I love this brand. I love this brand, and it's a beautiful orange box. My hair is driving me crazy. You drive me crazy. I just can't sleep. I'm Britney Spears, bitch. This is from Ole Henriksen Sea Rush Brightening Gel Cream. This lightweight gel moisturizer packed with 3 forms of vitamin C and rose of winter extract. It instantly brightens and delivers 24-hour hydration. $34. You can't go wrong. This brand is fantastic. And it's very beautiful packaging. It's plastic. It's got a little safety seal on it. I'm not gonna disturb. I don't like disturbing the safety seal because sometimes I sell these things on Mercari and they don't want them to be opened. So I might keep this. I might sell this. Who knows? The future is wide open. Woo! Party! Party! Then we have from Queen, who is a musician. I don't know her regular name. This is the Queen Studio Partners in Crime Lip Liner Duo. Indulge your inner bad bitch. Ooh, it had little asterisks, so it didn't spell bitch. Your inner bad bitch. The rich, buttery formula of this lip liner duo delivers high pigment payoff that seals in moisture for comfortable, long-lasting wear. MSRP, 18 doll hairs. We're at 123 so far. Let's look at these colors. I've got a stack of lip liner pencils that I just don't even use. But these are some very beautiful colors. A beautiful brownie and a little brick red. Very nice. And they look very creamy and soft. Once again, I don't want to use them because I don't even use the ones that I have. I literally have a basket full of lip gloss and liners that I just never use. That's what happens when you have a beauty channel and you unbox a lot of stuff. You get a lot of things. Next up, from Make. It is Make Serum Balm Hydrating Lip Treatment. The serum lip product provides instant hydration while softening. I'll try this end. Softening and smoothing and plumping. Oh, it does so much stuff. So many things it does. I don't want to tear this up. But I like lip stuff. I love lip stuff. Oh, it shows you the color right there. It's kind of a really pretty color. Let's set the box down first, Rhonda. Now this I'll probably use. Oh, it's really much brighter than it looks. But that looks nice. That looks super nice. And who doesn't want a serum balm? I guess it's similar to having a lip oil. Next up, I'm saving my favorite for last. From Ren Clean Skincare Evercalm Redness Relief Eye Serum. Oh my gosh, cat fight. Did you hear that? Get out of here. Crazy cats. That's what happens when you have 4 cats. Things happen. But this is a redness relief serum. And sometimes I have some redness in my skin. And Ren is a very nice brand. I didn't add it's $26 for that lip serum. And this is a beautiful glass package, and it's got a nice little pump at the top. It looks very lovely. And I can put it in with the rest of my skincare that's waiting to be used. And it says that Nature Stand Against Sensitivity and Fast-Acting White Mushroom Powered Serum is clinically proven to reduce redness after just 30 minutes. 30 minutes, that's pretty good. So it's supposed to help with lots of dryness, discomfort, flakiness, tightness, burning sensations. And it's a Velvet Touch Serum, $60. All right. Last but not least, I wish I'd already had this palette. It is Natasha Denona Zendo palette. I wish I already had this in my arsenal so I could have used this for my look tonight. I mean, my look it looks great. It looks fine. But this is a beautiful Natasha Denona palette. It retails for $69, which brings our box total to $278. you can see all the goings on. Look, I use an iPhone, y'all. And fingerprints are all over it. And this is beautiful. And I will be doing a video with a look from this palette for sure. That is just gorgeous. So, this box is like, I don't know even how much this is anymore. Is it like $60? Is it $50? I think it's like $60. So we got this great Natasha Denona high value palette, $69. We got this great serum. We got the serum balm. We got the nice lip pencils. We got the Spongelle. We're Italiano. The Ole Henriksen cream. The eye patches. And the single shadow from McGrath. So this is a great Luxe. Lots of great things in here. Totally worth the value. Even if I just got the palette and nothing else, I'd still be super happy about it. But I'm excited to have what I have, and I hope you have a great day or day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon. Bye.